Joey Martinez for Santa Mesa. For Ortigas, branch winner is Mr. Edgardo Ponesto. Edgardo Ponesto. For Las Piñas, it's Rocky Prieto. Rocky Prieto for Las Piñas. Branch winner for Bacoor is Edwin Manzano. Edwin Manzano. For Fairview, it's Jose Sumalino. Mr. Jose Sumalino for Fairview. Branch winner for Manila, Walter Gabriel. Mr. Walter Gabriel for Manila. For Bikutan, John Mike Borja. Mr. John Mike Borja for Bikutan. Branch winner for San Lazaro is Jason Evangelista. Jason Evangelista for San Lazaro. For Sulat, it's Alvin Mayo. Alvin Mayo, branch winner, male category for Sukat. For base hitting, Mall of Asia, Mr. Jen Aniceto.
Alvin!
Jen Aniceto for the Mall of Asia. For food retail, Mr. Hill Anit. For retail affiliate, Mr. Romel Tabangin. Retail affiliate, Romel Tabangin. For SCMC, it's Ring Gonzalez. Mr. Ring Gonzalez.